Here. Put it on. And you do this one.
She's putting it like 3 centimeters away from the other one.
Look. Okay, this one.
Look. Daddy.
Do you know who that is?
Daddy.
It's Apuna Hasapita Pedalon.
More.
Okay.
This.
Oh, here, this one. Oh, you can do that one. Here's another one.
When did we get all these Simpsons ones?
I don't know. Here's another one.
Careful.
Look like tea.
Okay, here's another one. Here. Here's another one.
Excellent. Tree gonna be able to support all these? There you go. Here's a good spot right there. Here. Yeah, there you go. That's a good one. Good job. What's that one? Can we see? Can you show me?
Yeah.
What is it? It's a horsey. That's right, a rocking horse.
Here's an angel.
Angel.
Hey, Sarah. Sarah, how's it going? Doing well? Sarah.
Santa Claus.
Sarah, how's it going?
Say hi to Daddy.
It's going good? Leah likes that area. Here's a shot of the floor.
I think we have too many ornaments.
for too small of a tree. We have a nice empty tree right here that I need to fix the lights on, but I'm gonna be lazy and wait till I borrow a Christmas light tester that will let me know which bulb is inactive.
Okay.